Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation on our impact of lean production on UPS, United Parcel Services. So here is a basically introduction of United Parcel Services. So UPS first established in 1907 in Seattle, United States, and it's a leading global logistic and supply chain management company which operates over 220 countries around the globe, providing packaging, delivery, and supply chain solutions. Basically, they utilize advanced technologies with AI in their logistic networks to enhance efficiencies. And lean production is basically systematic approach to minimize the waste while maintaining the productivity. And its origin it's from TPS Toyota production system, which includes JIT just in time and continuous improvements and standardized work are its key principles. So here is historical origin of lean production. So lean production discovered its roots back to TPS, which developed in 1940 and 50s. And basically, Toyota aimed to enhance their efficiency by reducing waste, optimizing workflows, and improving productivity without increasing cost. Basically, TPS was developed in response to post World War II shortages and forcing Toyota to produce high quality vehicles efficiencies with minimal waste. And their basic core of focus was on eliminating non value adding activities, ensuring a smooth continuous production flow. Basically, TPS introduced totally different concepts such as JIT, just in time producing only what it's need when it's needed, and Jidoka, known as automation, which with a human touch is to empower workers and machines to detect and halt defects immediately. Kaizen, known as continuous improvement, is a small incremental improvement that enhance efficiency and eliminate inefficiencies over the time.
Okay, so for understanding lean production focuses on creating more value with fewer resources by optimizing the flow of product and services through entire value stream. This approach helps in reducing costs, improve quality, and increase overall efficiency. It can be like divided into five simple steps in which they have to create value by defining what is valuable for the customer's perspective. They have to map out all the steps in the value stream and eliminate those that do not create value. Ensure that the process flows smoothly without interruption, produce only what is needed by the customer, and reduce overproduction, and continuously improving process to achieve perfection.
I will be presenting how UPS utilized Clean Six Sigma principles to develop and implement their no left turn policy. First step is to define the problem. UPS identified that left turns were causing delays, increasing fuel consumption, and posing safety risk. Crossing multiple lanes to traffic led to longer waiting times and higher accident rates. Second step is to measure the current process performance and collect relevant data. UPS collected data on fuel consumption, delivery times, and accident rates. Using tools like the vehicle routing problem and game theory, they analyzed the data to understand the impact of left turns on their operations. Third step involves analyzing the data collected in the previous step. UPS has developed routing software called Orion to calculate the most efficient routes while minimizing left turns. This system has saved UPS millions of gallons of fuel and reduced carbon emissions. Final step in the process is to implement controls. UPS continuously monitors and adjusts their routes using real-time data to ensure the policy remains effective. So this approach has led to significant improvements in efficiency, safety, and environmental sustainability, showcasing the effectiveness of Lean Six Sigma in driving continuous improvement.
Now we'll see the globalization impact on logistic industry and how UPS rapidly evolved itself while doing globalization. By rising e-commerce and global trade, UPS now delivers around 22.3 million packages daily across 220 plus countries, meeting the growth demanding for speed and efficiency, which intensified competition from FedEx, DHL, and Amazon Logistic. UPS stays ahead by adopting lean practices, cutting costs, and improving customer services, in which innovation is a key success, where UPS integrates its AI, robotics, and real-time data analytics to streamline operations while investing in green logistics to meet the sustainability goals. By focusing on efficiency, technology, and sustainability, UPS remains a leader in global logistics.
Okay. So the key lean strategy implemented by UPS were use of data collection, advanced analytics and technology to optimize the value chain. They also included the continuous improvement and waste reduction methodologies. They inducted and collaborated with connectivity for better maintenance and operational monitoring. They also indulged in data and analytical tools to keep involved supply in it quickly resolve the supply chain issues and also practice automated processes for more responsive and effective operations.
So now we'll see about environmental impact of lean production at UPS. The first will be carbon reduction initiative, which UPS is actively cutting emission by expanding its electrical and alternative fuel vehicle fleet. By investing in renewable energy and sustainable operations, the company is reducing its carbon footprint across facilities. The second would be sustainable packaging and waste reduction, which UPS is committed to eco-friendly packaging using 100% recyclable material and biodegradable solutions. Additionally, lean practice in warehouses help minimize waste in sorting and supply chain processes. The third would be reduction for delivery miles and emission through lean logistics. UPS leverages AI powered route optimization, which is ODN, to improve efficiency, cutting 200,000 metric tons of carbon emission per year. And facilities and last mile delivery innovations such as micro hubs and pedestrian couriers further reduce urban pollution. Through this electrical fleet, sustainable packaging, and AI-driven logistics, UPS is leading the way in eco-friendly supply chain solution. Its efforts not only reduce emission but also set a benchmark for sustainability in logistics.
Implementing lean principles at UPS can be quite challenging. So here are some key challenges and potential solutions. By modernizing existing infrastructure to support lean principle often requires significant financial investment. This includes upgrading sorting facilities, distribution centers, and IT systems to improve efficiency and reduce waste. These upgrades involve substantial cost, which can strain the company's financial resources. Additionally, the time and effort needed for these upgrades can cause temporary disruptions in operations. Also, lean implementation requires a significant shift in organizational culture and operational processes. This includes adopting new ways of thinking, such as focusing on continuous improvement and reducing waste. Employees need to be trained and upskilled to understand how to apply lean principles and techniques. The introduction of automation and new work processes can create concerns among employees about job security, fearing that their roles may be reduced or eliminated. So, this concern can lead to decreased morale and resistance to change. To address these fears, it is important to communicate the benefits of lean and automation, emphasize how these changes can create opportunities for more meaningful work, and improve overall job satisfaction. Providing comprehensive training and support can also help employees adapt to the new processes. So, by addressing these challenges requires strategic planning, effective communication, and a commitment to continuous improvement. So, by doing so, a UPS can successfully implement lean practices and achieve operational excellence.
For the mitigation, the UPS can indulge in gradual implementation of piloting program to ensure a seamless transition. UPS follows a phased rollout of automation, allowing time to adaptation. A data-driven decision make helps track performance, and a flexible investment strategy ensures financial stability while adopting new technologies. They can also introduce employee training and involvement in lean practices, which a successful transition depends on people actually. A comprehensive lean training program equips employees with essential skills by changing management initiates drive engagement. UPS also prioritize job security and reskilling, ensuring that employees grow alongside the technological advancements.
One of the mitigation strategy which is used by UPS is diversified supply chain strategies to reduce risks, which UPS strengthen its supply chain through multi-supplier sourcing, reducing dependency on any single supplier, strategic stock reserves, and inventory buffering, provide resilience against disruption, while AI-powered predictive supply chain management enhances efficiency and risk mitigation. By implementing automation, gradually empowering employees, and diversifying supply chain strategies, UPS ensures sustainability, efficiency, and long term stability.
In conclusion, UPS has effectively implemented lean production principles to drive efficiency, reduce operational cost, and enhance service quality. By adopting key strategies such as AI-driven route optimization systems like Orion and Edge, and sustainable logistics practices, including the use of electric vehicle and alternative fuels, UPS has positioned itself as a leader in the logistics industry. Also, in summary, the successful application of lean production at UPS exemplifies the potential for companies to transform their operations, overcome challenges, and achieve long term success through innovation and a focus on continuous improvement.
For recommendation, UPS should expand AI and automation, invest further in robotics and predictive analytics for enhanced logistic and efficiency, and they should increase their Lean Six Sigma education and incentive programs for employees, and they should diversify suppliers and implement real-time risk monitoring systems. And for accelerate green logistic, they should scale up alternative fuel fleets, urban micro hubs, and eco-friendly driver solutions. Thank you for your attention.